Hello, in this video we're gonna check which gestures and motions are available when the screen is locked for Motorola Moto G62 5G. So let's open up the settings. Right here, scroll to the bottom and find System, then Gestures, and here's all of the gestures, and we're gonna check which of them works on a lock screen. So here's a double press power key, and now you can use it to launch assistant or camera. Let's try it on locked screen. We simply need to double press power key while the screen is locked. It should launch the assistant. And it works fine on the lock screen. Now let's try the camera. Also works fine. Next one is I need to go to the settings again. System navigation, which I'm gonna skip because it's obviously not for a lock screen. It doesn't make much sense to use it there. There's one-handed mode, which also can be skipped for that. There's a power touch. Double tap on the power key to see all of the shortcuts. It might not work on a locked screen, but we're gonna check it anyway. So let's unlock this phone to make it wake. And now we just need to tap the power key, not press it, just tap it. And it doesn't work on the lock screen. So this option doesn't work. We can move to another one. Prevent ringing, and here you can enable or disable it. And if you press a power key and volume up key, it should vibrate or mute your phone. Now let's try it. So this one actually works. Yeah. And next one is attentive display. Keep the screen on while you're looking at it. It might be a bit tricky to determine if that works on a lock screen, as your phone is already locked, and this setting doesn't make much sense for a lock screen again. Pick up to silence. Pick up the phone to silence the ringer, and this one is also quite hard to show you on the lock screen, but I bet it would work if someone would be calling you and you would pick up the phone. It should mute the call. Flip for do not disturb mode, and this one probably also works for a lock screen, as if we put our phone like this, it should enter do not disturb mode while this setting is on. Next one is media controls. Use the volume keys to change the tracks when the screen is off, and that works for 100%. If you're listening to any music and hold one of the volume keys, it should skip or go to previous tracks. There's also 3 fingers screenshot. We're gonna check it when the screen is waked. It seems it doesn't work for a lock screen. Fast torch. Turn on the torch with 2 karate chops motions. Make sure that it's enabled, and we're gonna try it. It's a bit tricky to make it, so we're gonna speed up the video until I manage to do it. Okay, it works for the first time. That's very nice. So it works on the lock screen, and now to turn it off. Let's just disable it manually, as I hate this motion. It's quite garbage to me, as I honestly don't know how to turn it off or on. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. There's a quick capture. Twist your wrist to twist quickly to open the camera at any time. So let's lock the screen, and it basically works like this, and it should pop up on the camera. So this works for a lock screen fine. There's swipe to split, and this won't work for a lock screen as far as I'm concerned. There's lift to unlock your phone by picking it up and looking at the screen, and this one works fine. On the lock screen, it should wake up the screen and not unlock it. So let's lock the device, and now let me look on it, and it wakes up fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.